Hello everyone, hope you're all having a lovely day today. Another vlog today to answer one of your questions about the hair system. Today's question is, how easy did I find it to exercise and do some sports while I'm having a hair system? So I remember when I first got the hair system, the first question I asked Phil, I was like, do I still can play football? Can I exercise? Apparently, yes, and I've been having a hair system for 4 years. Been going to the gym 3-4 times a week, been playing football on a weekly basis, and it's still firm and its place. It's amazing. So, as I always say, it's like a normal hair. You could do anything in it. You could exercise, you could shower, you could do everything you want. I remember I went to Dubai and I went on the fastest slide in the world, the one you could just stand in and the floor up and behind you, you go down, and it was so bloody fast. And I remember the first thing I did when I get to the bottom, I touched my hair because I thought there's no way it's still in its place. Well, it's still as good as gold. It was, as I promised, I could do anything while I'm wearing the hair system. If you have any more questions, send me an email on the email down below, and I'll see you soon.